Welcome to LITBLINDS Store YouTube channel. Get 50% off and order online with free shipping. Best design for ceiling panels and PVC vinyl flooring design and custom wallpaper. Ceiling panels offer a versatile solution for both residential and commercial spaces, enhancing aesthetics while providing functional benefits. These panels come in a variety of materials, including acoustic fabric, metal, wood, and PVC, each offering unique characteristics to suit different needs and preferences. Acoustic fabric panels, for instance, are designed to absorb sound waves, making them ideal for spaces where noise reduction is crucial, such as offices, conference rooms, and recording studios. Metal panels, on the other hand, offer durability and a modern aesthetic, perfect for industrial or contemporary settings. Wood panels add warmth and natural beauty to any room, creating a cozy atmosphere in homes, restaurants, or boutique shops. PVC panels are lightweight, easy to install, and resistant to moisture, making them suitable for environments like kitchens, bathrooms, or basements where humidity levels may be higher. PVC vinyl flooring, also known as luxury vinyl flooring (LVF), is a popular choice for both residential and commercial spaces due to its durability, versatility, and aesthetic appeal. Made primarily from polyvinyl chloride PVC and other additives, PVC vinyl flooring offers a wide range of designs, patterns, and textures that mimic the look and feel of natural materials such as hardwood, stone, or tile. One of the key advantages of PVC vinyl flooring is its resilience. It is highly resistant to scratches, stains, and water damage, making it suitable for high-traffic areas like kitchens, bathrooms, and entryways. Additionally, PVC vinyl flooring is often equipped with a protective wear layer that enhances its durability and longevity, ensuring it can withstand daily wear and tear. Beyond its practical benefits, PVC vinyl flooring offers aesthetic versatility. Custom wallpaper offers a unique and personalized way to enhance the aesthetic appeal of any interior space, whether it's a home, office, retail store, or hospitality environment. Unlike traditional wallpaper designs that come in predetermined patterns and colors, custom wallpaper allows individuals and businesses to create one-of-a-kind wall coverings tailored to their specific preferences, branding, or artistic vision. The process of creating custom wallpaper typically begins with a consultation between the client and a designer or wallpaper manufacturer. During this consultation, the client can discuss their vision, ideas, and any specific requirements they have for the wallpaper design, such as color scheme, imagery, patterns, or branding elements. Once the design concept is established, the designer or manufacturer will work to bring the vision to life using digital printing technology. This technology allows for high-quality, detailed printing on a variety of materials, including paper, vinyl, or fabric, depending on the desired look and application requirements. Additionally, custom wallpaper can be tailored to fit specific wall dimensions and layouts, ensuring a seamless and professional installation. Ceiling panels are versatile elements that can transform the look and feel of any interior space while offering practical benefits. These panels, available in various materials such as acoustic fabric, metal, wood, and PVC, serve both aesthetic and functional purposes in residential, commercial, and industrial settings. One of the primary advantages of ceiling panels is their ability to enhance acoustics. Acoustic fabric panels, for example, are designed to absorb sound waves, reducing echo and noise levels in spaces like offices, conference rooms, and auditoriums. This creates a more comfortable and productive environment by improving speech intelligibility and reducing distractions. In addition to acoustic performance, ceiling panels contribute to the overall design aesthetic of a space. Metal panels offer a sleek, modern look suitable for contemporary interiors and commercial environments like restaurants, retail stores, and lobbies. Wood panels bring warmth and natural beauty to spaces, adding a touch of elegance to residential areas, hotels, and restaurants. PVC panels, on the other hand, offer a cost-effective solution with a wide range of designs and finishes, making them suitable for various applications including healthcare facilities, schools, and recreational centers. Beyond aesthetics, ceiling panels also provide practical benefits such as concealing wiring, ductwork, and other utilities. This not only improves the visual appeal of a space but also enhances safety and functionality. Additionally, some ceiling panels are designed to be moisture resistant, making them ideal for use in humid environments like bathrooms, kitchens, and swimming pool areas. PVC vinyl flooring design encompasses a wide range of styles, patterns, and colors, offering versatility and customization options to suit various aesthetic preferences and interior design themes. Here are some popular PVC vinyl flooring designs. Wood look. PVC vinyl flooring often mimics the natural look of hardwood flooring, offering a range of wood species, from oak and maple to walnut and cherry. These designs feature realistic wood grain textures and varying plank widths to create an authentic appearance. Stone look. Another common design for PVC vinyl flooring is the stone look, which replicates the appearance of natural stone tiles such as marble, slate, or travertine. These designs feature intricate veining, textures, and color variations to emulate the look and feel of real stone. Tile look. PVC vinyl flooring can also resemble ceramic or porcelain tiles, offering a variety of tile sizes, shapes, and patterns, including subway, hexagon, and mosaic designs. These tile-inspired vinyl floors provide the durability and water resistance of traditional tiles with added warmth and comfort underfoot. Abstract patterns. For a more contemporary or artistic aesthetic, PVC vinyl flooring is available in abstract patterns and geometric designs, ranging from bold stripes and chevron motifs to intricate geometric shapes and asymmetrical patterns. These designs add visual interest and personality to any space. Custom prints. Some manufacturers offer the option to create custom prints or designs for PVC vinyl flooring, allowing individuals and businesses to incorporate personalized images, logos, or patterns into their flooring. This option is ideal for branding, marketing, or creating unique interior spaces. Custom wallpaper design offers an unparalleled opportunity to create a truly unique and personalized interior space. Here's a breakdown of the process and considerations involved. Initial consultation. The process typically begins with a consultation between the client and a designer or wallpaper manufacturer. During this stage, the client communicates their vision, preferences, and any specific requirements for the wallpaper design. This may include color scheme, imagery, patterns, themes, or branding elements. Concept development. Based on the client's input, the designer or manufacturer develops initial concepts and sketches for the custom wallpaper design. This stage involves exploring different ideas, layouts, and compositions to bring the client's vision to life. Digital rendering. Once a concept is approved, the designer creates a digital rendering or mock-up of the custom wallpaper design using computer-aided design CAD software or graphic design tools.
With innovation. LITBLINDS required professional for blinds installation. Contact us for become our partner. Order online and free shipping. LITBLINDS work in different countries: Canada, USA, UK, Australia, Dubai, New Zealand. Order fast and get 50% off. Don't waste your money. Contact us with these numbers: USA 2547086262 and Canada 5148265278. www.litblinds.store
LITBLINDS.store operating worldwide. We are required the skilled for install window blinds at everywhere.
Scan QR code and 50% off. LITBLINDS.store.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe, like, comments and share.